Hola, estamos continuando en el pasado forma. Okay, so en el pasado forma, por todos los verbos sin to be verb, write did not before the verb. Okay, he did not like the pizza last night. Pero mira aquí, like is not liked con de. It's not liked, and it's not played. They did not play. No. No necesita de en su verbo en pasado cuando está negativo. He did not like. They did not play. No es did not played. Es solamente verbo original y did not antes de verbo. Okay, so aquí, you cooked in the kitchen. Okay, necesita delete eso y incluir did not. You did not cook in the kitchen. Okay. Tú no comiste en la cocina. En esa sección, traducir en inglés, ustedes no caminaron a la fiesta. You all did not walk, walk to the party.